Alright, if you clicked on this video, you already know what's going on. This mod makes your car look so much newer. We already have one into this headlight here. That's the LED, and this is the original halogen. This is probably one of my favorite mods. So we've got Daniel behind the camera. I appreciate you filming. This is actually his car. Interlagos blue. Mine's here, the Le Mans blue. All right, so for this, it's super easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. So you gotta remove this cover right here. So not here, but right here. This is in between, like, well, it kind of popped out already, but you gotta pop that out, and that is the cover that reveals the LEDs, or halogens, what's about to be the LEDs. So to remove these, twist the halogen towards the engine. Yep. You just stick your hand in there. And then you free the halogen bulb, which is kind of hot if you've been driving your car. So I recommend you do this when your car's been sitting for at least an hour.
Yeah, we definitely didn't think about that.
Yeah, I didn't either. Alright, that sets it free. And then you pull the bulb out of the headlight. There you go, and then unclip the connector.
Show them the connector real quick. You got these two little side prongs right there.
Yeah, the prong, that's the word I was looking for, damn. There we go. And we chuck this against the wall because it makes these cars look so freaking dated. And here we have the other LED. It's a lot bigger than the original halogen. And then you have, what is this, Daniel? Resistor?
It's a ballast.
Ballast, damn, okay.
Come on, guy.
Alright, so I think when you open this from the package, this isn't screwed in, but I just did it just to show you that once you do put this in, you gotta screw it in. So screw it off. You wanna take the ballast and all this stuff away just so it's easier to put this individual bulb into the housing. So put this out of the way, don't put it on the ground and step on it like I did. It's easier if you put the bulb in.
Put the head of the bulb in first, and then you can twist it into the headlight itself.
Right, Daniel's just gonna take over from here.
Nah.
Okay, I suggest you wipe your fingers and make sure they're really dry so you can kind of grip this better. LED facing up, because remember this is a lot bigger than the halogen, so you don't have much room to turn this around like you do the other one. And then you can kind of, I mean, I know you can't see, but this will allow you, like I said, you have to have dry fingers for this, to kind of guide it and push it in there from the that thicker part.
How deep do you want to push it in?
It's almost there. Yeah. Alright. This is so awkward because I don't know how to explain it, man. You just kind of got to fiddle with it.
I feel that.
You know, you just got to, like, work it in. Dude, I got it. I got it.
That vein, though. Oh.
Dude, I'm working hard. So once you're able to get your two fingers behind the bulb and you're able to push it in flush with the housing, it's going to take a while, but then it's this was Daniel-san's idea, actually, using a flathead.
Yes, sir.
To put it in between these grooves. Then you can just twist it into place until it's tight, which honestly I'm not sure which way you're supposed to twist it. We were twisting it away from the engine.
This side is towards the passenger side.
And
you tighten towards the door.
Yep, and then just once it's pretty snug, obviously you're gonna want to make sure ours is snug. That's good. And then we want to plug it in. Our connectors.
It's inside there somewhere.
It's hiding.
We got a bald spot, bro.
Really? My dad's bald, man. I hope not. Like, I know. I'm afraid if I'm gonna be bald too. All right.
Show them what you're connecting.
These two.
All right, let me get it.
What is that called, man? What is that?
Little connector.
Connector.
Two-prong connector.
Two-prong connector. So you got it plugged in. Then you're going to twist this cap to secure the two together.
Show them what you're twisting real quick.
This middle part twists up onto these.
Perfect.
What is that?
Connections.
Connections.
Connectors, whatever.
And then that will secure that. Next, you have to plug this in to the original connector, and that's self-explanatory. Just plug it in until the gray parts click into that. Now, I have been running these for 1.5 years with these just in here. I was afraid of like the heat and stuff messing it up, and I've never had any problems. So you just kind of tuck that in there. Then you get your cover. You put it where it goes until it clips in, just like that. It's nice and secure.
Let's see what she looks like.
Well, before all that, we should have tried it out and made sure it works, but I already knew it was gonna work because I'm the one that did the work. And then now let's compare the LEDs to the halogen.
Damn, she looked good. Okay.
All right, choose your fighter. Mr. Halogen or Mr. LED?
I mean,
dude, that looks so much better. Oh my gosh.
Let's be honest.
Let's close your hood real quick. Why is it closed? Dude, dang, that shit's sick.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, thanks to Daniel for filming and having his car out here. You guys see the difference. It's absolutely amazing and definitely worth it. If you guys want to see the Lux Angel Eyes, I have a review of that on my channel as well. They're $200. These were like $50. Honestly, I think these are a pretty good deal and you really can't go wrong. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks guys. See ya.